What's up, guys? Welcome back to Three Pillow Devils. This week's vlog, I don't really know what we're gonna do, so let's just get into it. Oh, before we get started, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and then go follow us on Instagram for like behind the scenes stuff and crap like that.
Like a razor lipstick, and I risk it instinct. She sucking my with her lipstick. Ooh, check up on a bitch like a dipstick. Ooh, yeah, she on me like a misfit. Regular like a razor lipstick, and I risk it instinct. She sucking my with her lipstick. Ooh, check up on a bitch like.
So, in a previous vlog, I was working on the C10 and we were waiting on a line, and that finally came in. So, it's right here. I'm gonna install that line, get it ready to bleed. Willy's gonna come here later today to help me bleed it, finish up the drive shaft, and get it on out of here for a little bit because we got to do some work on his van because we've got a camping trip coming up at the end of the month, and so we got to get ready for that. All right, to start this off, we got the new line here. This is the old one. Looks correct, so I'm just gonna start by putting this in. So let's get to it. Alright, what's up, guys? I forgot to film a lot of what was going on yesterday because we were just trying to get as much stuff as we could done. But I was here with Willy all day. We stayed like super late trying to work on the truck and get as much done. We bled the brakes, so those are all done now. One of the last things we were gonna do is fix or get a new drive shaft support bearing. So we got that, we put it on, and then we also got a new U-joint. But we're having a lot of issues putting this back together, so that's what I'm gonna work on right now. Hopefully get that done pretty soon. I think we've got a pretty good way of getting that done. Yeah, so let's get into that. All right, so I got the one side all the way in there now, but here's where the tricky part is putting the other side in. And the reason for that is we've already broken one of these. The caps look like this, and they've got a bunch of little needles in there, and that's like how the bearing works. But when you flip them upside down, they all fall out. But the easiest way to press it is from upside down. So yeah, I'm gonna try a few things and see what works. We only have one of these caps left because we've broken, technically only broken one, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I got those all pressed in now. It's amazing, this took us like 4 hours to do one side, and I just did both pieces in 20 minutes for some reason. But all good now, shit, nice and smooth. Now I'm just gonna figure out how to grease these, and then I'm gonna throw it back in the truck because Willy put the new transmission seal in last night, so should be good to throw back in. Then I'm gonna put the diff cover back on, go get some diff fluid, fill that up, and then the truck should be ready to drive again. So, sweet. I don't know, I did it in the previous clip, but, oh. Yeah, okay, so I got the drive shaft fully installed now. It's in there, you can't see it, it's dark. It's in, it's ready to go. Last thing to do is put the diff cover back on. It's dark again, you can't see it. And so I'm just gonna put the diff cover back on, fill it up with some oil, and then she'll be ready to go again. We just gotta put the door back on and stuff. So pretty much finishing up with this soon. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the diff cover on now. All right, so I got the diff cover on now. Went smoothly, just did star pattern. I think that's good enough. I'll look up torque specs for that later. I don't have a torque wrench here right now. I think that's gonna be it for this video. I honestly have no idea what I did in it. It took me like a week and a half to do all this, and I can't remember what I worked on. So I hope it was good. Leave a like if you didn't like it. I don't know. Leave a like.